Hi everyone, my name is Rose, and this is to be the first update for the Stardew Valley project pan. So, I didn't make go on any of the 5 items, so nothing's rolling out yet. But let's get into it. So, this first product is for Willy, and there's a window. I don't know if I can show you. You can kind of see the scrapes, but I marked where the window ends, but there could be a lot of product up here. I guess I used this more than I thought I did, because the other gloss that I had, that was this lorac, because when this first came out, I bought 2 of them. I bought the blue one and I bought this one, and the blue one took me 3 or 4 months, and this one's going way quicker, so I don't know. But I'm hoping to either have it done by next update or have it to the point where I'm gonna take the stopper out. So either one is gonna be done soon. So either 1 or 2 more updates, depending on how fast use it. Oh no, I forgot to grab the masks. I'm sorry about that. Don't mean to disturb your nap. So I used up 1. I didn't keep the packaging around because it was drippy and it was even pulling out. I didn't squeeze it out. I should have squeezed it out because there was so much liquid in that pouch. There was enough liquid to cover maybe 5 sheet masks. But I used up 1 of them. I have 2 more. So, wait. Yeah. This is for Linus. I was going to go down my list in order, but then apparently I'm not doing that. Because I don't like to go in order, apparently. But yeah. So I used up 1. And that's my goal, is to use up 1 every month. Because I'm painting a actual mask in a bottle. Bye, Bubba. Sorry, I keep talking to the cat. My hair is being weird. But yeah. So 2 more. I think I'll probably maybe I'll use this one next. I don't know. They're both moisturizing, I think. Yeah, this is from Elf, and then this is some, I don't know. I got this for Christmas, so I don't really know where these come from, but I usually get some face masks for Christmas every year, which I don't really buy them anymore, but if I get them, I use them. So yeah, that's where that came from. Okay, so next is for Penny, and I got the Essence, and I have the Essence So Glow, and I didn't take a picture last month. I forget to take pictures a lot, but I'll try to make sure I take a picture of it so I don't have a before and after. Hey, Bubba. But yeah, so I'm trying to make a side pan. I only used it 4 times, so I didn't really use it that much. The last time, not today, I'm wearing it today, but not the last time I used it, I tried to use it under my foundation, and I really didn't like it. First off, I had a hard time picking it up with the brush. I used a stippling brush, and I had to literally scoop it out with a stippling brush, and then pick up. Maybe with a sponge it would be okay, but yeah. Bubba, stop stepping on my makeup. He likes to go on the makeup table. Look at him. His name's Salem, but we call him Bubba. Hey, hi, Bubba. He really doesn't like being picked up. Okay, there you go. Okay, and then I have 2 more products. Next is for Sebastian, which is the Stilla, Shimmer and Glow, and Vivid Sapphire, and I only have 1 use. I used it today, and that's the only use I have. So hopefully I can get some more uses my next update. But yeah, it's I'm wearing it on my lower lash line. That's the only place it's that. But yeah. I was having a real difficult time putting makeup on. I like spilled primer on my hand. Like I was trying to squeeze some primer out on my face, and like the tube just blop, a blop on my palm, and then I spilled powder all over myself. And I'm just spilling things today. I'm not having a good day. So yeah, there's that. At least I had cornbread for breakfast, so that's a good thing. And then one more item, right? Yes, I talked about everything else, which I did not use. Surprise, surprise. But yeah, it's still at that mark. I'm really trying to finish this elf polish that's in my Beauty A to Z project before I start working on this. I think I can get that out in like I think I could finish that polish by the end of like this month. What month is it? April? Yeah, by the end of April. So I'll be able to get some progress on this before the next update, because the updates go around the 20th. I try to post on Mondays and Fridays, but sometimes I forget to upload them, or sometimes I forget to put them on public because I upload them private and then I go to public in case anything goes wrong. And I like to fill the description box out on my computer, and I film these on my iPad. I upload them on my iPad, so it's just easier to do it on my computer to fill out description box and stuff. So yeah, that's why I do it that way. But yeah, no progress on this for Clint. Hopefully next month I'll have a little bit of progress. I mean, it's only a small bottle anyway, so yeah. I dropped this like 3 times when I was getting it. I almost forgot that too. I'm just forgetting everything. But yeah. Hopefully you guys liked this update, and hopefully it wasn't too chaotic. It was kind of chaotic today, but it's whatever. Sometimes you just have chaotic days, and that's how things go. But yeah, I'm gonna show you my eyes because they're really pretty today. They're like super blue, because like my eyeballs are blue, and then like my whole eyeshadows are blue, and it's like super sparkly too. I had a difficult time with my eyeshadows. I was getting like blue glitter all over me because this shade is really flaky and like hard to put on. Like I have the shades from my palette, and I have a single shadow from a brand that went out of business because of you know what. And then I have Kween from my BH Cosmetics backlight highlight. It's that shade of the purple shade. Blue. It's blue. It's not purple shade I'm gonna come about. That's all that'll be in the description box, because I try to fill out as much as I can, except I don't put my palette in there because some of the shades in there I don't even know where they came from. But like it's just a bunch of depotted shades is my palette. But yeah. So hopefully bye before I ramble on too much.